One smart move that can multiply your Canada PR chances. If you're planning Canada PR, here's something many applicants don't fully use. Canada allows you to be active in multiple immigration systems at the same time. Used correctly, this can significantly increase your chances of getting permanent residence. Let's break this down simply. Canada's PR system is not just one door. Canada doesn't rely on a single pathway. The three major economic immigration systems are Express Entry, Provincial Nominee Programs, PNPs, and the Atlantic Immigration Program. Each of these works with an expression of interest or EOI model. The key advantage? You're allowed to submit EOIs across different programs at the same time as long as you follow the rules. Express Entry, your core profile. With Express Entry, you can only have one active profile, but that single profile can make you eligible for multiple programs like CEC, FSWP, or FSTP. Even more importantly, your Express Entry profile can exist alongside PNP and other EOIs. So if Express Entry alone isn't enough, it still acts as a gateway to provincial opportunities. PNPs, where strategy really matters. At the EOI stage, you can submit profiles to multiple provinces at once. You don't need to prove intent to settle yet. That only comes after you're invited. But here's the rule you must remember. Once you receive an invitation from a province and apply for nomination, you can only proceed with one province at a time. Express Entry plus PNP is equal to the power combo. This is where many candidates succeed. Having both an active Express Entry profile and an EOI with one or more provinces means provinces can find you directly and send a notification of interest. And once you secure a provincial nomination, you gain 600 CRS points, which almost guarantees an Express Entry invitation. Atlantic Immigration Program works differently. The Atlantic Immigration Program is employer-driven. You must have a job offer from a designated employer, and that offer must be provincially endorsed. You can be considered under multiple Atlantic provinces only until you accept an endorsement. After that, your intent to settle is locked to that province. The big takeaway: Canada's immigration system rewards smart planning, not guesswork. You can hold Express Entry plus PNP EOIs at the same time, explore multiple provinces legally, and keep backup options active if one pathway slows down. But once invitations come in, you must choose carefully and stay consistent. This is the end of today's video update. We hope you found it helpful. Thank you for watching. And if you enjoyed the video, hit the like button, subscribe to our channel, and press the bell icon to stay updated with the latest Canada immigration news.